I'm sorry, I'm not used to wearing glasses. Either I can wear them or take them out. But good evening, and I apologize. I may have delayed this get together, but I was a little tied up with work, and it's wonderful to see you all. And I, first of all, like to tell you that you've got a very good telephone ring, and then move on to other things. But and thank you very much, everyone, for being here. And first of all and foremost, I'd like to thank Tag Heuer for giving me and thinking of me with such importance that they can take out a signature series of a watch. And thank them even more that they were kind enough to let us utilize it, and because it was a marvelous fit for the character that we play in the film Dawn, as you can see. And this is the first time I'm seeing these pictures. And I'm really thankful to Ravi, the head Asia Pacific, the whole team at Tag Heuer in India and abroad. I've been meeting them, and to allow me to have a little say in the design, to have I mean, it's just a great piece of, I would say, an artifact now, that you have a watch which has your own signature, a watch that you've always wanted to perhaps just be able to buy off and keep as a thing of beauty and love. Like I've mentioned many times before, Tag was the first watch that I ever bought, and it's really nice that now my Czech signature is on this. So it's humbling as well as a moment of great pride from me. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and would like to speak specifically about this model, the kind of the portion that I've played in trying to make this watch design. I had seen the first time Ravi gave me a digital watch, and you know, the mechanical part of it. It's called the Monaco 69 series because it sort of turns around and gives you a mechanical and a digital way of seeing time. And for us, the brand fit with Dawn was, you know, sort of, for the people who've seen Dawn, there is a Dawn side to this character, and there's a Vijay side to this character. And how all this is used, I hope you like it in the film. So when we requested Ravi that can we have a watch specially designed, he not only allowed us to do that, he went a step ahead and said we'll make it a signature Dawn watch. I think a placement like this in a film, whether we call it an endorsement, I think it would be the first time for any Indian film, and I'm highly grateful that a company like Tag Heuer, respected and prestigious company like Tag Heuer, has been so wonderful in agreeing to do this for an Indian film. It just shows that Indian films are becoming important everywhere now. So thank you very much, and thank you for coming, and God bless you all. And it's been a few hectic days of running around, and I'm a little tired, and my hair is out of place, and I forgot to wear my black jacket. I have it in the car, but it's really nice to be here, and I hope you have a great evening after this. And as always, would like to thank the media again. We've been meeting again and again for some days now, so I've gotten to know you and your family very well, like you have mine. But once again, I think we are spending more time together than we are spending with our families right now. So welcome back, and we'll be seeing you around till such time as you allow me to. So thank you very much, everyone. Thanks a lot.